affairs and static, or you had separate notes for the same topic, current affairs and static?
Separate, separate. Say for environment, I had a static. I followed Shankar's book, so that was static. And whatever current affairs came, then that was also topic wise. In a separate one. But they will all be under GS3, and then keep a schedule of revision. So for a first timer, I would say we should peak, and then we should peak at the right time. Some do face this writing fatigue. One thing that I have a complaint against the market is that they started this system of 1 year answer writing, that you prepare for 2021 or 2022 because it makes more market sense for them. There are like, when you say that you can start writing for 22, suddenly there are 10 lakh people. When you say that you can start writing only for the next mains, there are only 10,000 people. Okay, so what will you write if you don't have your notes ready? Or the questions are so common that even a 10th standard kid will be able to write. But the competition has reached such a level that it's merely not quantitative but also qualitative. People are writing amazing answers, qualitatively. Hence, start preparing your notes. You'd be writing next year. Next year it's in the month of May. That leaves you with another good 10 months. So when you cover main syllabus, it also covers prelim syllabus. It's a subset of it. So when you cover that, it also gets covered. So you leave the last 3 months solely for prelims preparation. Until then, your effort should be to cover as many sources as possible, make notes, and then notes that are strong. And then the day after prelims, take a day's break, and then start revising. Write as much as possible. So your first answer would definitely be the worst answer, and from there on it will only improve.